In this chapter, we will talk about Proficom. We'll learn about what the plugin does and how you can use it in your e-com store, make it a part of your e-com strategy to save time and to find better products to sell to your customers and make more profit. So let's get started with that. Let's start by talking about what Proficom does. Well, as a marketer, you need to use most of your time to sell, which means you should be focusing on your sales analysis, your traffic analysis, your visitors analysis, funnel analysis, and you should be doing all the things that make you sell better, that help you sell better. Of course, you need to manage your Facebook traffic and any sort of paid traffic or organic traffic that you're trying to get to your store. So all of these things are going to take a lot of your time. And add to that, if you have to spend a lot of time trying to find products that you can sell daily or discovering new products, it's gonna be a lot tougher. It's gonna be a lot more difficult. What Proficom does is it makes it easier for you to find the right products according to the criterion that you want to use to sell. And it makes it easier for you to post those products to your WordPress store. And that's something that will actually make your job easier, make you do things faster, because you can just post your products and then you can modify a few things and prepare the product for the final output or the final display or for publishing. So let's see how Proficom exactly works and how it can help you save time in your e-commerce marketing endeavors in your business.